coffee. That's so bad. All right. Sing to myself.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Edith. Happy birthday to you. Okay, one more round. We need a bass. Okay, one more. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Mom. Happy birthday to you and Mother's Day.
B-H.
Happy birthday. Now, how old is she, Miles?
He doesn't know.
I know, that's why I'm asking. How? Guess.
30 something?
40 something.
All right.
Like 40 what? Close. Can you guess?
49.
Good. That's exactly it. So next year, how old is she going to be?
50.
There you go.
That's a big